In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a photo background in CapCut on your phone. So go ahead and open up CapCut, and the first thing you want to do is select Expand in the top right corner, which is going to drop down a bunch of different options. So we're going to be selecting Remove Background in the bottom left corner. Then we're going to be selecting the photo from which we want to remove the background. And then you want to select Edit in the bottom right corner. Now this is going to automatically select what they think you're trying to keep and everything you want to remove. So everything that's highlighted is what it's going to keep. So if it made a mistake and you want to manually erase some stuff, for example, it wasn't supposed to be there, or if you want to add some stuff by going to Manual Select, you can also add stuff to it. Now I'm going to go to Auto Select, which is to the left because it did a really good job. Then once you're finished and it looks good, go to Export in the top right corner and it'll release this photo. Now we're going to go to Done, and if I go to Create a New Project, rather than going to Photos on my phone, I'm going to select Photos in the top middle, and then you'll see the final result. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.